What if you could make $50,000 with just a click of a button? Yes, that's possible with this new AI tool. You can make videos in seconds. This can revolutionize your TikTok and YouTube Shorts creation. This incredible tool automatically generates high-quality monetizable videos with just one click. Not only does it produce engaging content seamlessly, but it also adds hooks, sound effects, transitions, emojis, animations, and more. Imagine creating a viral video in just minutes. In this video, we'll explore the features and benefits of this tool, demonstrating how it can transform your content creation process effectively. Stick around to discover how you can enhance your social media presence and start earning money on TikTok effortlessly. Introducing Smart Short, specifically designed for TikTok and Shorts video creators. With just one click, it automatically generates high-quality videos, adding essential elements like hooks, sound effects, emojis, transitions, and animations. This means you can fully polish your video without lifting a finger. Imagine how much time and effort you'll save by letting the AI handle all these complex tasks. The tool even supports 11 labs, allowing you to incorporate top-notch voiceovers seamlessly into your videos. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced content creator, this tool simplifies the entire process, making it accessible and efficient. Now, let's see how to leverage these amazing features to elevate your TikTok and Shorts content to the next level. Stay tuned. Now, let's talk about the monetization potential of this phenomenal AI tool. It supports high-quality voiceovers by integrating with 11 labs, ensuring your videos maintain top-notch audio fidelity. This is crucial for attracting viewers and keeping them engaged. But the real game changer here is the tool's capacity and capability to make your videos fully monetizable on TikTok. Yes, you heard that right. A 100% chance of earning money from your TikTok uploads. This AI tool opens up a stream of revenue by aligning perfectly with TikTok's monetization standards. Imagine generating videos swiftly and effectively, knowing each one carries the potential to earn you money. With this tool, content creators, influencers, and even novices can transform their passion into profit. Now, let's dive deeper into how you can maximize this amazing opportunity. Stay tuned, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Now, let's walk through the step-by-step process of using this AI tool. To begin, you need to sign up for an account using the link provided below. Once you've registered and logged in, you arrive at your dashboard. Here, you have two primary options: automatically generate a script or manually enter one. For either method, start by clicking on New Project. Next, select your language from the many available options. For this guide, we'll choose English. Then choose a video category. The tool offers a variety of trending topics such as philosophy, fun facts, and long-term jokes. Today, we'll select scary stories. After selecting your category, simply hit the Generate button. In just a moment, an automatic script will appear that's sufficient for a TikTok video. You can click on the Reformulate icon to further refine the script if needed. In the audio section, you can either upload your own audio file or choose from high-quality AI-generated voices. For this example, we'll select Marco's voice from the integrated 11 lab voices. After choosing the voice, click Next. Here, you can set the duration for each piece of footage. Setting it to 2 seconds is recommended for better engagement. Ensure all additional features are turned on and click Generate. The video generation process will start and complete in about 30 seconds. Once your video is ready, double-click to open it in the editing dashboard. From this dashboard, you can adjust captions, animations, emojis, and more. You can easily customize each element to your liking. If you need to edit subtitles, merge scenes, or change the background music, all options are available here. Make sure to save your project before downloading the final video. After saving, the tool will render your video, which should only take about 30 seconds. Once downloaded, you can use the provided title, description, and hashtags to upload it to TikTok or YouTube. And there you have it, a fully customized monetizable video created in just a few minutes. It's simple, efficient, and highly effective for content creators looking to amplify their TikTok presence. One of the standout features of this AI tool is its extensive customization capabilities. You can personalize captions and subtitles to match the tone and style of your content perfectly. Whether you want to change the color, positioning, or the animations of your captions, this tool gives you full control. When it comes to subtitles, you can edit them just as easily, either line by line or across the entire video. But it doesn't stop there. You can also finely tune transitions and sound effects. The AI smartly applies a variety of different transitions to keep your video dynamic and engaging, avoiding repetitive patterns. It even provides prompts to generate new AI footage, pulling from a vast library of stock videos or allowing you to upload your own. With these extensive customization options at your fingertips, you can ensure every video not only meets but exceeds your quality and engagement expectations. So, go ahead, explore these features and take your video creation to the next level. The tool offers a variety of subscription plans to suit your needs. With a basic plan, you can generate up to 20 shots per month. If you're looking for more, the Expert Edition allows you to create 50 shots monthly. For the power users, the Pro Edition lets you generate up to 100 videos each month. Additionally, we have an exclusive lifetime deal available for a limited time. With only 15 licenses left, you can secure lifetime access and avoid monthly fees. Don't forget to use the discount code provided in the description for an extra 20% off. Act quickly before the offer expires. Here's what users are saying about this innovative AI tool. One user said, "Where have you been all this while?" This tool has enabled countless content creators to boost their earnings and achieve their goals on TikTok. Users praise its ease of use, the quality of videos it produces, and how quickly it transforms ideas into engaging content. By leveraging this AI tool, you can also join the ranks of these successful creators and maximize their potential on social media platforms. We're excited to present an incredible opportunity for you. If you've been amazed by what you've seen today, now is the perfect time to take action. Sign up for Smart Shot using the link provided in the description. By signing up, you access all the innovative features this tool offers for generating high-quality, monetizable TikTok and Shorts videos. And here's an exclusive offer just for you. Use the discount code provided below to receive an additional 20% off your subscription. This discount is available for a limited time, so don't miss out. Whether you choose the basic, expert, or pro plan, or even take advantage of the limited time offer deal, there's something perfect for every content creator. Join thousands of successful users who are already monetizing their content and watch your creativity and earnings soar. Sign up today and unlock the full potential of your TikTok and Shorts videos. Thank you for watching and happy creating.